Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the machine and yourself. Power off and apply lockout/tagout. Confirm the film roll and guides are loaded correctly. This prevents misfeeds. Once done, remove the housing panels with a 3mm Allen and check the heater bar and thermocouple visually. You want no charred film or loose wires. Next, use a multimeter to confirm no live voltage before touching connections, and make sure spare fuses and the correct temperature profile are at hand so you can proceed without stops. Now you test the core systems. Measure the heater element resistance and compare to the spec. A short or open element explains uneven seals. While one person monitors, rotate the film path and inspect belt tension. Loose belts cause slipping and incomplete seals. Then confirm motor coupling and gearbox lubrication. Low oil or worn teeth produce intermittent failure. Finally, power up and watch the temperature controller and PID behavior. Improper tuning or a failing thermocouple will prevent steady welds, so adjust or replace as needed. You finish by replacing any defective components. Swap the heater or thermocouple if readings were out of range, and tighten or replace belts and motor couplings to restore proper drive. Reassemble panels, restore power, and calibrate the temperature set point. Run a 10-cycle test using production film to verify consistent seals. If seals still fail, check the controller by temporarily swapping with a known good unit or trace wiring per the schematic. If the problem remains, one key troubleshooting tip: isolate subsystems and test each independently to pinpoint the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.